how to get promo code for Doordash 2025 best coupon codes. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about promo codes on Doordash and how you're going to be getting them for yourself. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to me on Doordash, and once you're over here, you're going to click on settings. Once you do that, you're going to simply go over to gift cards. And once you go over to gift cards, you're going to get tons and tons of different gift cards that can be acted as promo codes or discount codes for yourself. Okay. So right here, we have the Starbucks gift card, right? Now it's a Starbucks e-gift card. Get 5% off digital delivery and redeemable at Starbucks. So let's say I want a $100 gift card for myself. So who is this gift for? You can obviously gift it to anyone, and then you can redeem the gift card for yourself in different ways as well. So it depends on you on how you choose to work along with it and how you choose to, create different looks for it. Now, for other types of promo codes, you can go ahead and get rewards as well. Now, these work as promo codes as well. So we have, these different restaurants that give us rewards. Okay. It says earned rewards at stores near you, terms apply, etc. So, these are some ways that you can get DoorDash promo codes. Now, other ways that you want DoorDash promo codes, don't worry, it's pretty easily accessible even on Google. Okay. So what you need to do is just go over to your browser, search for DoorDash promo codes, and right over here, if I open up the first link, in this first link, what we can see is we have tons and tons of these different coupons. So $10 off, 25% off, $10 off, 50% off, etc. So let's say I want to go ahead and see this code, right? So it's a $10 off code. Once we click on it, there's our code. Simply go over to copy code, add it once you're going ahead and checking out of your order section. And that is pretty much about it. That is how you're going to be going ahead and getting promo codes for DoorDash in 2025. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.